Regards, my name is John Medina. In this video, show the task 5, Speaking Task Forum. The task 5. To describe in simple terms an experience relate to short trips and recreational activities, past events, the weather, to give advice and recommendations. Show the link in PictoChat. My last vacation was in White Beach in Tota Lake. Step 1. My last vacation was at Lake Tota in Boyacá. I was with my wife. The first day we camped and enjoyed the scenery. The second day we traveled in a boat across the lake. At noon, we enjoyed the rainbow trout, typical food of the place. Finally, the third day, we returned to our house in the city of Bogotá. It is easy to reach by road. There is a path to the lake. In the lake of Tota, it is very windy and in the night it is very cold. In the same way, the weather of the lake is very cold. It is recommended to take good coat. There you come and take a guide horse ride and enjoy the typical food, the rainbow trout in more mushroom sauce. Step 2. Bring everything you need to camp. Take no groceries. The nearest town is more than 30 minutes by car. Public transport passes every hour. Rent a jet ski. Take the guide tour by boat and enjoy the scenery. There are several restaurants in the place. The rainbow trout is the most requested dish. Wear your best coats at night, is very cold. Bring lamps or lanterns. Visit to the village of Tota. Finally, people should take a boat ride or jet ski at rainbow trout and visit the village of Tota. People should not leave waste of trash after camping. Thank you for your attention.